Form 16. How to download and fill the form number 16A and 16B. Each individual acquiring a month-to-month pay is qualified for getting Form 16 from his or her manager. Different parts of Form 16. Part A. Details of TDS deducted on income. Part B. Details of components of salary, tax due, tax paid. Form 16 is not available for downloading. The form traces amount of an employee, thus it can only be downloaded by the employer. How to download Form 16 Part A. Visit the entrance of the traces by tapping on the link given in the video description. Presently sign in the entryway utilizing your login ID and secret word. Under the Downloads tab, you can discover Form 16A. At last, fill the necessary subtleties. It contains the accompanying information. Name and address of the employer, name and address of the employee, PAN and TAN of the deductor and manager, PAN of employee, sum paid or credited, and assessment deducted at source. Part B of Form number 16. Net salary as broken into parts like essential compensation, dearness allowance, HRA, medical stipend and fortunate asset. Excluded stipends under Segment 10 of the Annual Tax Act. Determination permitted under Section 6A of Income Tax Act. Elevation under Segment 89 of Indian Tax Act. The measure of tax due or paid on income. The form will likewise grant stand to the measure of tax discount if overabundance tax has been paid. For more information about tax, click on the link from the video description. Subscribe to our YouTube channel Dial Bank and hit the bell icon for the further notification of our videos.